If you're drowning in iPhone photos and need a way to easily wrangle them all, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how to quickly select all your photos in the Photos app, making managing, sharing, or deleting a breeze. First, make sure you're in the Library tab at the bottom of your Photos app. This is where all your photos and videos are displayed. The simplest way to select photos depends on the feature you use in the Photos app. When looking at each image or video, tap the Select button at the top right of your screen. Tap the Select All button. Now you can use the other features the app has, sharing, deleting, etc., that are right in front of you. Unfortunately, there's not a universally available Select All button for your entire photo library, but don't worry, there are still some options you can use for selecting many pictures. If you need to select a large number of photos, use touch gestures in your Photos app. Tap a picture to select it. Then you can drag your finger across the screen to select more. This helps you easily scroll through and select the images, but isn't the fastest option to select all images. You can always try third-party apps for a more advanced approach while managing your photos. These apps provide unique features. So, while you may not be able to select all photos with one single click, these methods give you options for efficient photo management. Now go forth and conquer that photo library.